My name is Yuri Ryabakonь. I came from Ukraine. I work for EY Ukraine Digital. We started our journey in 2019 from Maximo implementation project as part of a digital transformation program for Ukrenergo. We completed very important work in the beginning of our project. We have built asset database management, and it was a basement for this project, and that is why our clients, our customer, Ukrenergo, use this solution in these difficult times in Ukraine during the war. They have reliable and all needed information to make this repairing and maintenance work during attack of energy civil infrastructure. Our project was very challenging, yet very exciting. I think that this award will help us to do the very similar project for another government company to build asset management solution to help them to work with and maintain the infrastructure. I think it is very important. From my point of view, it is very important to share this knowledge around the Maximo community. It's a great opportunity to meet very interesting people with a lot of experience to discuss something and to show the results of our project and to see what is possible and what can be improved. I wish all customers of IBM Maximo system get max and more from this brilliant solution.